Hello guys, welcome to Ecutech YouTube channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to make YouTube videos thumbnail in simply Paint using the pen tool. So let's get started. Just first of all open up painting, whatever the window you are using, like I'm using Windows 10. So here you can see the painting tool. If you're not, then just search it out like paint app. This is the paint tool. Just open up and then set the dimension from click file, and then go to the properties, and here we are going to select the 1280 for pixel and then same 20. Okay, this is the YouTube thumbnail, perfect size. So okay, let's zoom it out. I'm not making the size increase or decrease. I'm just getting zoom in and zoom out in order to see and make sure we can see everything. Okay, so I'm going to just copy some image here. First of all, like I have an image like this guy. I'm going to right click here and click on edit. Then I just control A for select all, control C for copy, and then go back to the original file, then control V for paste. Okay, so then just make it little more, increase the size like this, and just leave it. And then you can draw the auto shapes from here, write some things, anything you want. Like right now we are going to make a design here, so like this. You can take any other auto shape, doesn't matter. I'm going to do with this auto shape and just make the size increase or decrease. Okay, so this is how you can make it. Then just put a color in here, like I want to put red color, and as well as click on the border, so you cannot see the border different with the background. So then just type here, for example, YouTube, and to make the text color different, what you have to click on the white YouTube. Okay, then just make it on here and just YouTube. Okay, then click here again, thumbnails. Okay, in Paint. So okay, so how is just now, if you want to write something here like how to make, then doesn't matter, make it and select all, and the size should be 28 and adjustable 36 or whatever you want, and then just put it on the top and make it the setting, and you can change the color as well like this, and everything will be perfect. Now has a spelling mistake. Okay, so we are going to fix it. The white color and the paint this, and just make it like this. And then what you have to do, make it more interesting, and take another icon like this paint icon, right click here and go to the file and control A for select all, then copy, and then go back to the original file where you are making your thumbnail, then just click on paste, and then make it a little bit smaller, and if you want to put here, maybe it's good for here. So we are going to put here like this, and then make the size little bit. Okay, just put here. Now if you want to change the background, like I want to color here like this, now you can see the color is little bit different. If you want to change more, anything, any color, more, it's okay. Now it's okay. Then if you want to make it more change, so what you have to do, just go there and then like YouTube, here's the YouTube. Okay, make it the size like this, and then just click here. Oh my god, the color would be same, that's why, but you have to do the color, change the color, and then select like this. Okay, it should be aligned properly, and then click here, take a fill bucket and then put the color. Like I want to make this color like this, and just put the border color, and in the center zoom out, and then just click it. Now you can see, as well as if you want to do with the other colors, so here like you just make a smaller this, and then put the other color like this. Okay, it's okay. Just select the border and click in the inside. Now you can see in the pen, if you want to make it, let's take this one. Just leave it and change the color. So we change the color. Okay, the yellow color would be fine, the same color. So if we go on to smack it little, and just leave it. Now you can see, if you want to change the color, background color, so you do just click like this. Okay, if not suitable, then go for some other color like this. Still go for the other color, and then you can see the both are same, that's why. So I'm going to change the color something like this. Okay, then it's okay. Then if you want to make it the text color change, then go to the bucket again, and red, take the red color and just put on the text like this. This is how you can make a simple and easy thumbnails on YouTube for YouTube videos, and then just it. If you want to make it more little bit border, so you just go there and just click and delete, select the border and delete, select this border and delete, select and delete. Now you can see, and put a color like this color here, and maybe some other color. This would be the same color, that's why we should change the color here. Now it's okay. Now I'm going to save it. If you want to change and make it more attractive, then you can do using all these tools. Like here's the lots of the tools if you want to make these changes. Other than it's okay, it's simple, and you can put it on your blog and YouTube video. And then just click here, click on the file and save as and the JPEG. JPG file format. Just click here and then go, and then thumbnails in Paint, and then just go and save it. Now you can see in the folder, now you can see here, just click here and then open up. And that's it. So hope you enjoy the video. If you like, please subscribe and share the video.